Welcome to my study channel. Friends, our today's topic is centrally sponsored schemes, that is guidelines and objective MCQs. This is our 41st video on the topic JK SSB jobs preparation. Friends, this topic is most important for your jobs preparation and selection. So friends, keep focus to this topic and try to revise these questions 2 or 3 times for your better understanding. Without wasting time, let's start. Friends, first of all, I want to tell you that in this type of questions, you will get 2, 3 or maybe 4 statements and you have to tick the right statement from the given statements. So friends, here question number 1 is consider the following statements regarding Startup India scheme. One statement is, it aims at fostering entrepreneurship and promotion innovation by creating an ecosystem that is conducive for growth of startups. Second statement is, according to the scheme, a startup is an entity that is headquartered in India which was opened less than 5 years ago and has an annual turnover less than 25 crore. Third statement is, rural India's version of Startup India was named the Deen Dayal Upadhyay Swa-Niyojan Yojana. And fourth one is, tax exemption to startups for 10 years and above concession will be provided under the scheme. इसमें पूछा गया है which of the above statements are correct. Here answer is only 1, 2 and 3. It means fourth one is not correct. So this is the answer. Next question is question number 2. Consider the following statements regarding National Optical Fiber Network. Statement 1 is, it is to provide broadband connectivity to over 2 lakhs gram panchayats through optical fiber network. Second is, Bharat Broadband Network Limited, that is BSNL, is the special purpose vehicle created as a PSU for execution of NOFN. Third statement is, it is funded by Universal Service Obligation Fund. Fourth is, it is under the Digital India program. यहाँ पे पूछा गया है which of the above statements are correct. Here answer is all are correct. Friends, all the statements are correct. Third question is, consider the following statements regarding National Fund Security Act 2013, that is 2013. First statement is, it aims to provide subsidized food grains to approximately 2/3 of India's population. Example, 75% in rural areas and 50% in urban areas under rights-based approach. Second statement is, it is under the Ministry of Agriculture. यहाँ पे पूछा गया है which of the above is correct. Friends, here answer is only 1. It means first statement is correct. Friends, no doubt, there is no doubt that the questions are a bit lengthy, but we have to revise these questions because we can't skip this topic. This topic is most important because approx 2 or 3 questions will surely come in your exam. So friends, don't forget to revise these questions. Next question is question number 4. Consider the following statements regarding Antyodaya Ann Yojana. यहाँ पे फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट है, द स्कीम एम्स टू मेक targeted public distribution system, that is TDPS, more focused and targeted towards the poorest section. Second is, the beneficiaries under Antyodaya Ann Yojana will stop receiving the 35 kg per household per month at same rates on covered in National Food Security Act. Which of the above statement is correct? Friends, here only option 1 means only statement 1 is correct. So statement 1 is the right answer. Next question is, consider the following statements regarding Project Mosam. Consider the following statements regarding Project Mosam. First statement is, it aims to understand how the knowledge and manipulation of the monsoon winds has shaped interactions across the Indian Ocean. Second is, Archaeological Society of India, that is ASI, is the nodal agency, and Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts, that is IGNCA, is its research unit under Project Mosam. Here पूछा गया है कि कौन कौन सी स्टेटमेंट जो है वो सही है एज पर द प्रोजेक्ट मौसम. अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रोजेक्ट मौसम बोथ आर करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स. सो आंसर इज बोथ 1 and 2. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स रिगार्डिंग प्रधानमंत्री मुद्रा योजना. First statement is it will provide loans from public sector, regional, rural, state and urban cooperative banks to farm as well as non-farm income generating enterprises. Second is PMMY can be availed under 3 categories. First is Shishu, which will cover loans up to 50,000 rupees. Kishore for loans above 50,000 and up to rupees 5 lakh. And third is Tarun for loans above 5 lakh and up to 10 lakh. Which of the above statements are correct? Friends, here option statement 2 is correct. That is PMMY can be availed under 3 categories. ये तीनों की शिशु, उसके बाद में किशोर और जो तीसरी कैटेगरी है तरुण, ये तीनों के तीनों जो है वो सही हैं. सो ऑप्शन 2 दैट इज स्टेटमेंट 2 इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स रिगार्डिंग कृषि कल्याण सेस, दैट इज KCC. ठीक है, consider the following statements regarding Krishi Kalyan Cess, that is KCC. First statement is the project will be kept out of the consolidated fund of India and the central government may, after due appropriation made by parliament, utilize the money for such specified purpose as it may consider necessary. Second is it is levy tax. It is levy/tax imposed by the union government on all services which are liable to service tax at the rate of 0.5% for financing improvement of agriculture and welfare of farmers. यहाँ पे पूछा गया है which of the above statements are correct. Friends, here option 1 that is statement 1 is the right answer. Statement 1 कौन सी है? The proceeds will be kept. The proceeds will be kept out of the consolidated fund of India and the central government may, after due appropriation made by parliament, utilize the money for such specified purposes and it may consider necessary. ये वाला जो statement है ये सही है. Next question is consider the following statements regarding gold monetization scheme. First statement is it is gold saving account which will earn interest for the gold that you deposit in it. जो गोल्ड मोनेटाइजेशन स्कीम है उसमें कुछ बोला गया है कि फर्स्टली जो बोला गया है इट इज़ गोल्ड सेविंग अकाउंट विच विल अर्न इंटरेस्ट फॉर द गोल्ड दैट यू डिपॉजिट इन इट. सेकंड इज डिपॉजिटेड गोल्ड कैन बी एनी फिजिकल फॉर्म, ज्वेलरी, कॉइन्स आर बार्स. द थर्ड statement is the long term objective is to reduce the country's reliance of the import of gold to meet domestic demand. Fourth one is the scheme will also help in mobilizing the large amount of gold lying as an idle asset with households. Which of the following statement are correct? Here answer is all the statements are correct. यानी कि चारों के चारों जो statements हैं वो correct हैं. Friends, you can revise again. Next question is question number 9. Consider the following statements regarding Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana, AABY. Here statement 1 is AABY is Government of India Social Security Scheme administered through Life Insurance Corporation of India, that is LIC. Second is it provides death and disability cover to persons between the age group of 18 to 59 years. Which of the above statements are correct? Friends, here both 1 and 2 are correct. So both 1 and 2 is the right answer. कौन सी स्कीम है ये है आपकी आम आदमी बीमा योजना. ठीक है, आम आदमी बीमा योजना इज गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया सोशल सिक्योरिटी स्कीम एडमिनिस्टर्ड थ्रू लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया. It provides death and disability cover to persons between the age group of 18 to 59 years. तो यहाँ पे दोनों के दोनों स्टेटमेंट क्या है? सही है. So answer is both 1 and 2. Our today's 10th question means last question is consider the following statements regarding Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, that is PMSBY. First statement is it is aimed at providing accidental insurance cover at an highly affordable premium of ₹12 per year. Second statement is the scheme will be available to people in the age group of 18 to 70 years with a saving bank account. Here answer is both 1 and 2. यहाँ पूछा गया है which of the above statements are correct. तो यहाँ पे दोनों की दोनों statements जो है correct हैं. Friends, there is no doubt that questions are a bit lengthy, but it doesn't mean that we skip this chapter. ये चैप्टर जो है हम स्किप नहीं कर सकते, ये क्वेश्चन हमें करने ही पड़ेंगे. सो फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है और मेरे चैनल के ऊपर आप नए हैं तो प्लीज़ आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि आने वाला हर वीडियो आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुँचे. सो फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. प्रिपेयर बेल, परफॉर्म बेल.